So little of a joke, but I have tried all different kinds of adhesive magnets. Any chance you've had this before? I love this cabinet. No matter what I do, this is what happens. I've tried all different kinds of magnets, never stays shut. So now I have this 72 pack of ceramic magnets. I better not need all 72, but let's put them on there, see if it actually like affirmatively closes. Let's give it a shot. Let's start light with about 7, see how that works. Okay, so I have a 90% success rate. So they're a little thick, so I couldn't put them on this door, which sits flat, but I was able to put it on this door, which holds that door shut, and it works perfectly. And actually, I will tell you, because I didn't go crazy, I put like 7 of them on, it has like a nice natural feel to it, yet it closes. It's not like I don't have to fight it to open, and it doesn't slam shut, but it stays nice and shut. Yeah, if you're looking for an adhesive magnet, this is absolutely a winner. I've tried so little of a joke, but I have tried all different kinds of adhesive magnets, and honestly, it's the first one that has really actually worked. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.